Hey guys, there is a new digital mystery box today. That means no shipping. You get it instantly as soon as you purchase it. You go back to Design Space, and I'm going to show you how to find those images and show you what's in it. So first we have Disney Wholehearted. So to find the image sets that you get in this Disney digital box, available only in the United States, you click on Images. And then we are going to search for that image. Wholehearted is the first one. Disney Wholehearted 25 images. We're going to click on it. And here they are. You got all kinds of Disney princesses and images. Okay, next we're going to search Maui's. The name of the image set is Maui's Tattoos. But if you search Maui's Tattoos, you'll come up with more tattoo image sets. So this one has 16 images in it. These are from the Maui movie. These are so cool. I loved that movie. Let's check out Moana printables. So we're just going to search Moana, and here they are, Disney Moana printables. How cute are these? Love the chicken. So cute. And last but not least, we have Future Princess printables. So I'm going to type in Future, take away Moana, Future Princess printables, 30 images. These are so awesome. Now you can use these to make things for personal use. You cannot use them to sell. These are printable. Okay, and those are the 4 image sets you get. You do get 10% off if you have Cricut access. My code does not work on digital images. Now, once you purchase your mystery box, all you have to do to find them is go to Images. And then we want to go up here to All Images, click on Image Sets, click on Ownership, and click on Purchased. I have a lot of purchased image sets because I've had a lot of cartridges and I bought past mystery boxes. So I have a lot here. So to narrow them down, I'm just going to go to Disney. And then you can scroll through here and find the new ones. Some of these are still available to purchase. Some are no longer available. Here's the Disney Wholehearted. Here's the Tattoo and the Moana. And here's the Future Princess printables. To open up the image set, you just click on it and it will open it up. This image set will not sell out, but it is only available for a few weeks. And these images are only available for a few weeks in this mystery box. They will be available individually later on this year. But if you really want them now, you have to buy them in the box, and it's much cheaper to purchase the box than to purchase them all separately. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Bye.